Hey everyone, welcome to this month's Rushfaster Carry Roundup, where each month we discuss all things new and exciting inside the world of carry, and where we also announce the winner of our monthly giveaway. More on that later. But Ed, what do we have in store this month?
This month we have new releases from Bellroy, Aer, Chrome, Able Carry, and Nitecore. But kicking things off, we're looking at Chrome. So we've got two new bags from Chrome. They are the Tensile Ruckpack and the Tensile Hip Pack. Both are made of a 3-layer recycled laminated nylon and polyester on the exterior, and they're lined with a 210 nylon ripstop interior. Both of them have a really unique X-Pack looking white exterior, but both feature the iconic chunky chrome seatbelt buckle in red. The Ruckpack is a 25-litre backpack with a flap top and drawstring enclosure, heaps of pocketing, and can fit up to a 15-inch laptop. The Hip Pack is a 7-litre bag that can be carried as a sling, a waist bag, or a crossbody bag. A great companion for cyclists. Both feature Chrome's truss 5-bar construction, which is just a reinforcement build around the bag to keep it durable and to keep it strong. So two really cool bags. They both have a really rugged looking aesthetic while still keeping that urban street appeal that Chrome is known for.
Yeah, absolutely. Still got that Chrome DNA with the buckle and that heavy duty manufacturing that Chrome's really well known for. But obviously, very fresh look in that white X-Pack. That looks pretty awesome.
Moving on, Dan, what have you got for us?
Yeah, well, our friends over at Bellroy have released a pretty awesome sling. It's the Bellroy Venture Sling. And actually, it's been really popular. Ed, you've already done a review on this sling a couple of days ago. I think we're about 50,000 views on that. So that's really good for the Rushfaster channel. A lot of people are interested in this sling. It's a 9-litre sling versus the 7-litre and the 4-litre sling that Bellroy released previously. It's got YKK AquaGuard zips, Duraflex hardware, and made from recycled materials, which is always really great to see. Just on the material front, on the fabric front, looks like it's a lighter weight fabric than the previous sling. Is that correct?
Depending on which color you get, but the green and the orange should be using Bellroy's Beta nylon. So yeah, lightweight material, got a really nice crinkly sort of feel to it.
Yeah, awesome. Because I guess the problem that I had with the previous Bellroy slings is I thought the fabric was a little bit chunky, a little bit too heavy. Whereas I really obviously I like the TKS from Black Ember, and I'll bring that up in every roundup we have. I like the fact that Bellroy is moving to that nylon material for some of these Venture slings, because just the lightweightness of it and the fact that it's just not as chunky, not as heavy, sorry. The other really good thing about this Venture sling is the 2 inverted zippers, which allow for ambidextrous use. Typically, where you'd have 2 zippers that sort of meet in the middle to close the bag, this goes the other way. So you can open from either side of the sling, which is a great feature, very thoughtful of Bellroy there. So that's definitely a good one. Another good thing about the Venture sling is you can fit a small camera in there. I believe you can also fit a small iPad as well, which is definitely what a lot of people are looking for these days if they don't want to carry a backpack and they're just using a tablet or something like that, or they've got a mirrorless and they're going around the city. This would be a really good bag for them.
Yeah, I really like this sling bag. As Dan mentioned, we've done a video on the Venture sling, so if you're interested in checking out, the link is in the description below.
Cool. Ed, what's up next?
I've actually got more news from Bellroy. How about that? Slightly smaller news, but it's still good news nonetheless. Bellroy have released the Oslo backpack. Now, some of you might already recognize it. It's actually an updated version of their Slim backpack, which is one of the first backpacks they released when they entered the bag game. It's a 16-litre backpack. It fits a 13-inch laptop. It uses Fidlock hardware and is made of recycled materials. The main difference here between the Oslo and the original Slim backpack is the improvement of that flap top closure. So previously, they had this really low profile magnet. Now they have a more robust Fidlock magnet just to really secure that flap top down. But overall, really good update, very aesthetic bag, and it's perfect for people looking for a slim and stylish backpack. One more quick thing to note from Bellroy, they've released this new bronze colorway, a really nice and bold colorway that has a really nice earthy orange-red tint, and it's available across almost all of Bellroy's carry products.
Yeah, I actually really like that bronze colorway. It's a very nice. Usually I'd go for a black or a charcoal or something like that, but I actually think the bronze is a really nice color, and they've done super well getting that color just right. The other thing about the Oslo backpack is when Bellroy promoted it, they were showing all these those photos of Oslo, and I was just made me want to travel. It just looks beautiful. So hopefully that's on the cards for next year for Aussies. I know that people in the Northern Hemisphere are traveling around, but we're stuck. Send help.
Alrighty, Dan, let's go through the winner of this month's giveaway.
Yeah, awesome. So each month, as regular subscribers would know, we give away a piece of awesome carry gear to a lucky subscriber. Ed, what are you giving away?
We have another Tortuga pack to give away. This time it's the Outbreaker travel backpack. So it's a 35-litre carry-on size bag. It's perfect for domestic travel, super understated look, low profile, but as always with Tortuga, it's durable and functional. It's got a VX21 waterproof sailcloth, YKK zippers, Duraflex hardware, all of the good stuff. A great one-bag travel backpack.
That sounds pretty good. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, now would be a great time to do that, so you can potentially win next month. Use the QR code to also sign to our newsletter. So you need to be subscribed to our newsletter and to the YouTube channel to be in the draw to win each month, and every month, middle of the month, we'll do a giveaway in the carry roundup. But for this month, we're pleased to announce we've got a winner. Winner is Thomas Fowler from Australia.
Thomas, congratulations to you.
So congratulations, Thomas. Well, Ed's going to congratulate you. I'm going to congratulate you. Ed.
You've won the Tortuga Outbreaker travel backpack. Hopefully, once everything settles down here, you'll get to put it to good use and treat it well. I'll be in touch with you shortly to talk about more details. Dan, what's next on the list?
Well, firstly, I think Thomas should get that bag, pack it, have it sitting by the door, get it ready so that the moment travel opens up, he can go for it. What's next? Able Carry. Our friends over in Hong Kong, Able Carry, have just released a fun little project. It's called the Able Cooler. So basically it's right up our alley. We love putting 6 packs of beer in bags, and this is exactly what you can fit in this one. 6 beers and an ice brick. It's going to keep your beers cool for 6 hours. Yeah, you can take it to the beach. It's great for summer. It's a cool little project. And Ed, correct me if I'm wrong, I think they make this in their studio in Hong Kong.
Yeah, they actually worked on it themselves, just inside their own studio. It's really cool.
Awesome. And now they were doing a giveaway, but I think the giveaway is over now. So unfortunately, sorry about that. But it still does look like you can get it, and they're going to have a limited number of these available. So if you head over to their website, the links are in the description. Links also in the email that we've sent you. If you're subscribed, you can sign up for information about that and potentially grab yourself one of those. Pretty cool product. Ed, you've got something for us from Nitecore.
Yes, that's right. A new EDC bag from Nitecore. If you follow the channel, you've probably seen a few of those EDC flashlights or battery banks featured in our videos from Nitecore. They specialize in those sorts of products, light and power, but one thing that people don't know is that they're also getting into the carry scene as well. Now, their bags tend to have a bit more of a tactical sort of mil-spec aesthetic, you know, molly webbing, Velcro patches and the like. They recently released a new bag, the BP18. It's an 18-litre backpack designed for everyday carry and urban commuting. It's actually designed in collaboration with Lee Gear. It features all the staples of a solid backpack design, YKK zippers, Duraflex hardware, and a durable 500 denier nylon with a water and dirt resistant coating. As you'd expect from an EDC style backpack, it's got lots of pocketing, lots of ways to attach accessories. But yeah, keep an eye out on these guys. I'm sure there's more to come from them. Dan, last but not least, new releases from Aer.
Another one of my favorite brands, Aer, based in SF in the US. They've just released the 2021 City Collection. So that is a city pack, the City Sling 2, and the Split Kit. Basically, the City Pack is an entirely new bag. Although having said that, it does share a lot of the same design touch points from other bags like the Day Pack 2 in the Aer range as well, and it's designed for urban carry. It's a streamlined profile, it's a 14-litre capacity, 16-inch laptop compartment, and a new contoured back panel for better ergonomics. Ergonomics are always really good, especially for your back. And City Sling 2 is an update to the popular City Sling 1. It's a 2.5 litre sling bag, features a whole bunch of cool organization in the main compartment, and new features include a stowaway space for the carry strap whenever you want to stow that strap away, and just use the sling as a regular pouch. Last but not least, in the City Collection is the Split Kit, and that's a small, very small little organizer at 0.4 of a litre, so we're talking pretty small here. It's very similar in shape to the Able Carry stash pouch, so if you've seen that one, it's very similar to that. All three of them look pretty cool. They're all made out of 1680D ballistic nylon Cordura, like most of Aer's bags, and they also got 900D Ecoya polyester. City Sling 2 and the City Pack are also available in X-Pack material. VX42 X-Pack. Sounds very impressive. A lot of X-Pack going on at the moment. It's a very popular material. Overall, Aer's been killing it this year. They've released so much new gear. We've got them on the Rushfaster site. We love them. They're very popular bags. They're definitely something to check out if you're in the market for that kind of gear, especially like urban creative people. Probably a good backpack for you or a good range for you.
And if you're interested in checking out our videos on the City Pack or the City Sling 2 or even the split kit, there will be links in the description below, and you can also head over to our channel and check out all of our other product walkthroughs on our Aer playlist. Well guys, that's all we've got time for in this month's Carry Roundup. Here at Rushfaster, we're all about providing you with better gear because better gear means the world to us. So if you'd like to stay up to date with all the gear that we cover, hit the like button, hit subscribe, make sure you hit the bell as well, and subscribe to our newsletter.
And of course, if you're interested in any of the gear that we have mentioned in today's video, check out the links in the description below. If you get the email, there's an email sitting in your inbox now with all the links there. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in next month's Carry Roundup. Bye.
Bye.